Today I'm going to guide you to the easiest way to build a beautiful blogging website, just like this, together with a practical and effective newsletter integration. The tool we'll be using is Substack. You can think of Substack as a combination of a blogging platform and email marketing tool. When you publish content through Substack, it appears as an article on your website while simultaneously being sent to all your subscribers as a newsletter. Substack's core idea is that you can build an independent newsletter business. Compared to its competitor Beehive, the best advantage is that there's no cost to use the platform. You can publish free content to build your potential audience, and later monetize that audience by publishing additional premium content that's only accessible to paid subscribers. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your Substack dashboard, newsletter, and revenue generation. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is typing Substack on Google and open the website. When you click the Create Account button, you'll see a window where you can select your interests. If you haven't clearly decided on a topic yet, you can skip everything and click Continue. And in creators you might like, you can again select all and continue without subscribing. Then enter your email address, agree to the privacy policy, and click the Get Started button. The next step is crucial. Now you need to set up your author profile, which is important because it's what others will see. For your profile picture, you can use your picture if you have one, or add it before publishing your first newsletter. Check that your name is spelled correctly, and for the handle, it's best to use only English spelling, without numbers or symbols. In the bio section, you should introduce yourself concisely but clearly with minimal words. Once you've completed this, your registration is finished. Now you're at the dashboard. At the top, you'll see various interests like culture, technology, business, listed to the right of the home button that we skipped earlier. Clicking one of these will show you newsletter feeds related to that topic, and the right leaderboard lists popular newsletters. Clicking one of these shows subscriber numbers and check marks next to names. White means hundreds of paid subscribers, orange means thousands of paid subscribers, and purple means tens of thousands of paid subscribers. Can you imagine how much revenue could be generated if each paid subscriber pays $100 monthly? Now let's look at the menu on the left. In order, there's the Home tab, Inbox, Chat, Activity, Search, and Plus button. Clicking Inbox shows your personalized inbox items, and through Chat, you can exchange messages with others. Activity lets you check notifications, and the Search tab helps you find people, publications, or topics. Finally, clicking the Plus button allows you to upload posts. Through the dashboard, the Home tab becomes personalized, and you can use Substack like social media, while networking with people through the chat feature. The Plus button includes Note, Post, and Video functions. Notes are for short-form posts, Restack, and promoting recent posts, and they don't get sent to subscribers' emails. This works similarly to Twitter, used for networking and interaction to gain reader exposure. Posts are used for publishing longer content like newsletters. Posts published through this method will reach subscribers' emails. Now you might be wondering how to write newsletters effectively. The best approach to writing good content is structuring it. First, maintain consistency by creating a title and subtitle, then establish a framework for the content you'll provide in each newsletter issue. For example, the offer sheet, which curates local real estate information, consistently structures its content with property addresses, photos, prices, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, potential daily and monthly revenue through Airbnb, expenses, expected occupancy rate, and expected cash-on-cash return. This consistent approach helps brand your newsletter and builds expertise and authority, which becomes valuable when selling related services or products later. Lastly, let's discuss monetization, which is likely most interesting for newsletter business beginners. Substack currently offers its platform services free to anyone to easily start a newsletter business. They only charge a portion of revenue once the newsletter operator starts generating income. And this is done through paid newsletters. The 3 different colored buttons we saw earlier are achievable based on the number of paid subscribers. And since it's monthly or annual payments, it provides the advantage of steady cash flow for stable newsletter business operations. Going to Settings and Publications allows you to configure your newsletter publication settings. Enter your name in the publication name and write a brief description of what readers can gain from your newsletter. After setting the language, configure primary and secondary categories to make it easier for readers to find your newsletter. In the Payments section, you can connect your Stripe account for receiving payments and set up monthly and annual subscription requests. The founding pledge amount is currently inactive since you're not running a paid newsletter, but when you do, it serves as an early bird conditional amount for initial subscribers. You can enter an amount, and after deducting Stripe's fee of 2.9% plus $0.3, you share 10% with Substack. For example, one monthly subscriber at $100 becomes $96.8 after Stripe fees and $87.12 after Substack's fee. In the branding section, you can set up consistent newsletter styling through publication theme and watermark, and share a provided QR code for easier and quicker subscriber acquisition. The website section allows you to explain who you are and what you write about in more detail than your one-line publication description for new readers. The goal of the About page is to build trust with readers while showcasing your writing voice and style. Include a brief self-introduction, publication frequency, and detail the differences between free and paid subscription benefits. You can enhance your About page by adding subscriber testimonials, topic-related images, and special discount links. Homepage link settings play a crucial role in helping readers quickly find important information and maximizing the value of your Substack posts and newsletters. For example, you can create a workflow by including links that might be referenced in the newsletter content or related posts, naturally exposing readers to related content. The welcome page is a simple subscription request page shown before someone becomes a reader. It's best to concisely state the benefits of subscribing, focusing on showing the goals readers can achieve. In the email section, it's recommended to disable Require email address confirmation. This double opt-in can be an obstacle to gaining subscribers. The welcome emails sent to new subscribers from the welcome page can include a greeting, explain the differences between free and paid subscriptions, and encourage reading existing newsletters. You can also request brief responses about why they subscribed or conduct surveys to learn about readers' demographics, countries of residence, and age groups. The community section can be left with default settings to increase subscriber engagement, and the chat section can create spaces for conversation with subscribers. If you're a full-time writer wanting to communicate with subscribers to create higher quality content, enabling these features is recommended. The referral section provides a method for turning highly loyal readers into viral marketers for you. In settings, you can establish a system offering tiered rewards when readers create new subscribers through their individually assigned links. Connected accounts allow you to link your YouTube account to your newsletter and upload YouTube videos to your Substack feed for increased exposure. The domain section lets you connect individually purchased domains from Cloudflare or Namecheap to make your newsletter appear more professional and easier to find in searches. This process incurs a one-time $50 fee from Substack. Follow the linked guide for step-by-step setup. The analytics section is crucial when using paid ads to gather subscribers. Enter pixel IDs from Google, Facebook, and Twitter to track which platforms paid advertising shows good results. Find areas for improvement and achieve more efficient and faster growth through quantified data. If you're already operating a newsletter, the import and export section allows you to bring existing newsletter content and subscribers to Substack, and through export, you can secure all subscribers when moving to different platforms. Today's video covered how to quickly and easily start a newsletter without costs through Substack. If you're curious about 5 additional ways to generate revenue besides paid newsletters, click this video.